Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Tawre, roll number 54, Division A. My group member name is Suryakant Katawde, Aditya Kunjit and Shubham Kar. Today I am going to present a presentation, Applied Method, Study and Work, Measuring Techniques, Different Machining Operation in Industry. I thanks both our guide, Professor Shrikant Kulkarni and Professor Balaji Shinde. So, what is work study? It is specially concerned with the productivity to increasing the productivity from a given quantity of resources. Work study is a generic term from a technique of method, study and work measurement. These techniques are used in examination of human work in all contexts. They lead systematically to the investigation of all the factors which affect the efficiency and economic at the place work in order to effect improvement. Steps for work study procedure. Select the job. Record for direct observation. Examine record facts. Develop economic method. Measure work and calculate standard time. Define new method. Installing new method. And last, maintain new standard. Let us see scope of work study. Method study and work measurement are closely linked to each other, as both are associated with work study. Method study reduces the content of a job, and work measurement investigation and reduce ineffective time associated with job with establishment of a standard time. These results are efficient work operation leading to increasing a productivity of process. Method study. Method study is a systematically method of analyzing the method of doing a job, including human movement involved in it. So it is a process of analyzing method involved in workflow to increasing productivity. It deals with the doing a work in a better way with less time and effort. It is also known as method improvement and work improvement. Let us see step for method study procedure. Now let us see work measurement. Work measurement is the application of a technique which is designed to establish the time for average working to carry out a specified manufacturing task and defined to level of performance. It concerns with the duration of a time it taken to completed work task assigned to a specific job. Now let us see the case study. The globalization of the Indian economy has been faced a great challenge to the Indian small industry in the request of productivity, quantity, cost, delivery, etc. To achieve success in the global market, it is required fundamental improvement in the way of production, a small process industry. In this paper, a case study of small process industry, some challenge in this process has been suggested using time study method, which lead to reduction in process time, labor cost and production cost.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.